Do your abstract paintings ever feel kind of stiff, overworked maybe, or like they're missing some kind of energy? You know, you're not alone. There is one simple mistake that I see my students make all the time, and today I want to show you how you can fix it. The biggest reason abstract paintings feel stiff is overthinking every single mark. So instead of just letting go and letting the painting flow, many artists just hesitate and they start second guessing and try to control everything. And in my experience, that is something that will totally block your creative energy. I know exactly how frustrating this can be because you want to express yourself so badly, but you can't do it because you're not giving yourself permission. So if this is something you're struggling with, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Okay, so maybe you can recognize this way of painting. Every single mark that I'm making on this painting is really carefully placed and controlled. I'm being really cautious to make my shapes clean and my layers perfect. And everything does look neat. But here's the problem. When I paint this way, there is nothing that is relatable because the energy that I have isn't coming out through the painting, or it just disappears. And the painting ends up feeling bland, stiff, and kind of lifeless, to be honest. So how do you fix it? Well, I tell my students to use bigger tools like palette knives or large brushes, because that way they avoid tiny hesitant strokes and they stop overthinking what they're doing. I also encourage you to stand up when you paint because that way you can use your whole arm for movement instead of just moving your wrist. Another great tip is to work on more than one substrate at a time because this will give you the freedom to switch between each of the substrates, allowing you to just relax and not focus on one single piece. So the next time you paint, try some of these tips and see how it feels. And if you remember, I would love it if you come back and let me know how it worked. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. It's completely different. Instead of carefully placing every single mark, I'm working really fast and letting the paint move freely. This way I allow the layers to build naturally. The lines are loose and the brushstrokes have energy and nothing feels controlled at all. So when we work like this, the result is often unexpected. But every single mark tells a story and the painting feels alive because it isn't overplanned. So if you ever feel like your paintings feel stiff, just grab a bigger brush, move faster, and stop second guessing every single move you make. You're going to be amazed at how much more expression and depth you can create in your paintings. So remember to loosen up, commit, and let your painting lead you. I hope all of these tips help you as much as they help me. And on Sunday, I'm going live in my Facebook group, Intuitive and Spontaneous Abstracts. So if you want to join, make sure to follow the link that I will leave in the comment section. All right, I can't wait to see you there. Until next time, bye!